David Cameron's warnings, severe rain brought by Hurricane Hillbilly yesterday, as reported from Holme Moss, has brought the River Calder levels up once again. Although God does seem to have taken into account the warnings by our Prime Minister in our last flood report, it is still considered unacceptable. Hurricane Hillbilly has also cut off electricity to homes on Pebble Island near Pebble Beach, and the massacre of Echo Woods continues unabated, despite this being a good flood defence and a way of soaking up a considerable amount of water before it heads down to Murfield, further anticipating floods in future, which probably will cost a hell of a lot more than the money they've got back from these trees that they're cutting down. There are amber warnings, meaning be prepared for the Cornwall restaurant and nearby hotel.
Mr. Chatterwobbles has been kidnapped by the Ice Queen, and Aslan has been reported to be very concerned about his whereabouts.
While Rebecca Poppins has opened a reception centre at her house on Whittaker Close to deal with distraught victims of the floods. In some places, a month's worth of rain fell in just 24 hours, further adding to the urgency of the flood law, which is currently being passed to the House of Lords for its third and final reading. In other news, the TV has mysteriously disappeared and been replaced by one that's not working at an house in Bradley.